In this video, I'm going to show you how to change TikTok video from private to public. When your TikTok video is set to private, only you'll be able to view the video. But when it is set to public, it will be available on TikTok page, including the TikTok For You page. However, if your video is set to private, you'll not be able to gather view or likes from TikTok users. Now, to change TikTok videos from private to public, all you need to do is go to your TikTok account and click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on this key icon. This is where the private video would be hidden or uploaded to. This is the private video. So no private and public video, you get to say that there is a key log under or above the private video section, and here is the public video. Now click on the private video, click on privacy settings at the bottom right. Now scroll up like this and locate everyone who can watch this video. Make sure you choose everyone. Before it was set to only you, which is private, and now you need to set it to everyone. Once you hit everyone, then come back here and hit the back button just once to return to your TikTok profile page. Then refresh the page, say you no longer have any private videos. Come to the public video on your account like this, then you should see the video available on public section on your TikTok account. So this is how to change videos from private to public, and at the same time you can follow through the same process to change the video from public to private. All you need to do is switch from everyone under who can see this video to only you or friends, followers you follow back. So this is how to change videos from private to public and how to change video from public to private on TikTok. If you find this interesting, you want to hit that button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.